Welcome, I'm running the HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. For me, I'm going to be using the home screen as an example. And once it's open and visible on your screen, simply hold power key and volume down. You'll get this sound and an animation. And that's about it. Your screenshot has been captured. Now the screenshot can be found in your gallery application. So when you open that up, you can go into the albums and it should create a screenshot folder. And in here you can see that there is the screenshot that I have captured. So that is how you capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.